Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Vertex Pharmaceuticals Incorporated step by step clearly. Begin by researching Vertex Pharmaceuticals to understand its business model, market position, and growth potential. Review recent news articles and press releases related to the company to stay informed about any significant developments. Analyze the company's financial statements, focusing on revenue, profit margins, and cash flow. Examine earnings reports to evaluate Vertex's performance and see how it compares to industry peers. Check analyst ratings and price targets to gauge market sentiment regarding the stock. Create a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a brokerage that fits your investing style, whether it's a full-service broker or an online trading platform. Fund your brokerage account by linking a bank account and transferring the desired investment amount. Use the brokerage platform to search for Vertex Pharmaceuticals using its ticker symbol, VRTX. Evaluate the current stock price and historical trends to determine an entry point for your investment. Decide on the number of shares you wish to purchase based on your budget and investment strategy. Place a market order for immediate execution or a limit order if you prefer to buy only at a specific price. After executing your trade, keep track of Vertex's stock performance and future developments. Set a target price for selling your shares based on your financial goals. Consider setting stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses if the stock drops below a certain price. Reassess your investment periodically, taking into account any changes in the company's fundamentals or market conditions. Stay updated on industry trends that could impact Vertex Pharmaceuticals, such as regulatory approvals or competitive landscape changes. Finally, be prepared to hold your investment for the long term or adjust your strategy based on performance and market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.